Okay, my name is Henrique.
I'm Mariana.
Hi, I'm Hugo.
My name is Ritu.
I am Michal Matsunaga.
Am I sitting correct? Is it?
My name is Jose. I come from Spain.
Brazil.
Swedish, Kiwi, German, Jewish, Maori.
I'm from India.
Tokyo and Japan.
Stockholm, Sweden.
In Hyper Island, there's no teacher, no class, no exams, and that's what got my interest.
Hey, applications are now. Apply, and I did.
Because I've got no idea what I want to do.
One day I just saw an ad for Hyper Island's new program, Business Developer.
Ooh, like, it should be like the moment to apply for Hyper Island.
Before Hyper Island, I was working within retail.
Actually, well, I am a biologist, so...
What's special about Hyper Island is...
It's extra and everything. It's like high energy.
It's really fun.
It's high emotions,
It's something different.
high on work.
It's amazing.
It's like extra.
Whatever you think you already know and know how to apply, you don't.
We can learn whatever we want. We make our own path, so it's really awesome.
One word to describe Hyper Island would be
Crazy. Teamwork.
Frustrating.
friggin' amazing.
Failure can be fun.